Cooljarloo is unique to Western Australia. We have 2 floating dredges and a floating concentrator weighing over 5,000 tonne, processing over 3,000 tonne per hour of heavy mineral concentrate. We've used Weir Minerals for a long time on site here. They've been the lifeblood of our operation.
Here at Tronox, Weir Minerals delivers a total asset management contract, which is a contract designed for us to actually focus in on 20 assets. We do all preventative maintenance and maintenance work on those assets, and we innovate the assets. We actually modify them so they last longer, thereby reducing unplanned maintenance costs for Tronox.
So under the total asset management plan we have with Weir Minerals, we pay on a cents per tonne, and that's based on the throughput through the plant.
The key benefit of a cent per tonne arrangement is the better that Tronox do in terms of getting tonnes through the plant, the better that Weir do.
That's benefiting us.
We all win. When Dave and I talked about TAM originally, what we felt we wanted it to be was a complete partnership between the 2 companies.
Weir have skin in the game with the way we operate, so that gives them an insight into the issues we're dealing with on a common ground. The engagement with Weir Mineral through the total asset management plan has allowed us to progress a lot faster. It's not based around penalties, it's based around improvement and KPIs. It very much provides a new way of doing business.
It does.
Weir Minerals are the experts in pumps. We can leverage that expertise and focus on other areas of our business, our core business.
2 of the biggest pumps on site are the Weir 2824 Cooljarloo and the 1816 Pelican. They feed the concentrator, so when they're not working, the mine site actually comes to a grinding halt. So it's crucial that we keep these pumps going. We have an impressive facility in Perth where we're able to facilitate all the repairs and maintenance for all sites in WA.
We are really thinking deeply about how each asset in the contract is performing, how it can be improved, and we're drawing in more resources from our business from around the world to how to make those improvements, deliver those improvements, and that is the key to success for Tronox and for Weir.
I was a bit sceptical as a site director, but since it's been put in place, we've seen some huge wins in terms of leveraging Weir Minerals' engineering division.
Both organisations were striving to achieve improvements, savings, better reliability, and we constructed a set of KPIs together and we're achieving them.
We have key performance indicators for downtime reduction and extending shutdowns.
We proved that we dropped the maintenance cost by 10%, and we also reduced the unplanned maintenance by 30%.
Where we're now heading to is we're extending to an 8-month cycle. By doing that, we drop 1 shutdown and we pick up a day and a half in actual extra runtime. The combined saving between production having more uptime of roughly around $1 million, and there's $1 million saving within maintenance.
I would recommend for other mines considering a total asset management agreement to sit down with their Weir Minerals rep and share their vision for what they want to achieve. We'll tailor-make a total asset management plan to suit you.
If other companies around the world are looking at this type of agreement, I'd really encourage them to explore it. Tronox, we've only been touching the surface for a year now, and we really see some huge benefits already.